Karthik. Welcome back to my Market channel. In this video, I am going to detail you about little advanced topics of Google Data Studio, which is the one of the popular data visualization tool. In the previous videos, we have used a use case like how to manage telecallers. Telecallers who sit at different places, and how to track their performance metrics over different periods of time, and how to set up, how to blend data sources and all those things. For this video I am taking a use case of for a local business like a fitness or like a beauty or a med spa, whichever belongs in whichever depends on the appointment based, or like the customers have to make an appointment and then visit your place. It can be a dentist, or it can be a chiropractic, any kind of local business which needs appointment and other scheduling things. When you run ads through Facebook or Google, you need to know like Facebook metrics. We can pull it through directly through their marketing API, or through some data analysis tool which pulls reports from Facebook API and populates in Google spreadsheet like Supermetrics and all those things. And then you will have a CRM for fitness. You might use UpLaunch or MindBody. For chiropractic, you use ChiroTouch, and all those CRMs. Or like you may use another common CRMs like common HubSpot, or like Zoho CRM, or Freshdesk, any kind of CRM. But the key metric you want to measure is how many leads you have got during the particular period. And then the customer journey is like leads generated, then leads engaged, or like leads responded. Thus you have multiple stages in your sales pipeline. Then you will eventually look for like scheduled appointment, and then eventually the customers who have directly visited the dealer or the center or your local business. And these are the key metrics. You should ensure that like even if you are a single business owner who has business in multiple locations, or your agency owner who handles different clients, you need to keep track of these things to so that you can ensure that real ROI is generated for the client. Because if there are like too many leads but too low scheduled appointments, or like even if too many leads, too many and equal and proportionate appointments is getting done, but because of lots of no shows, actual business generated through those customers may not be may be low. So you have to keep track of all these KPIs to ensure that your business succeeds or your agency succeeds. For this report, I have pulled data from Facebook marketing API, and then I have pulled appointment report from CRM. And I have combined this two data sources and blended this two data sources, and then created a this dashboard, so that I can like measure how good things are going, and which is the best performing location and which is the least performing location. So we can make changes accordingly. And if the leads are low, we have to focus more on the Facebook side or the Google side. If the appointment is low, we need to sit with appointment setters or VAs, we have to go back and redraw the sequences and the workflows in our CRM. Let's get into the dashboard. Say this is the sheet. This is all our demo data only. Just for this video, I have used this report. Say this is a business, this is a agency which handles clients from different locations in US, Tempe, Surprise, Hampton, all those different locations, and these are the leads generated for that particular period. Just ignore this one. And these are the leads engaged, and engaged percentage you can make the create auto create, and appointments booked, appointment percentage. I'm not. Once you have this, it would be not easy for you to measure the performance when you go through this different numbers. If the locations are like 10, it would be very difficult to track. Imagine how about having like 100 clients for your agency. This is the kind of report you can like where we can like generate. When you click on this, just go through each and every element of this report, because this is a stacked bar chart. This is a bar chart, and these two are like scorecards, and this is a data control for the depending on the location we can choose. It's just a drop down data list. You can just lay for the demo purpose I will create one for you. And this is the data control field. You can rename this location. When you just click on this location, it will show all the data, all the locations here, and it will also show the data, corresponding data for that location too. You can choose the select specific number of locations you desire, and automatically the graph gets updated. And this is the type of control you can have. Just let's go to view. I'm in the edit mode. For to go into view mode, you can just click the view. This is the report. You can share it with your client or your team. Okay, and this is the complete report.